Hi guys, what's going on? It's Mike here, back with another episode. Obviously it's been a little while since my last upload. Very strange times at the moment. So obviously before, as you know, on the channel I was looking into match betting. Things are going quite well with that at the beginning of the year. But obviously coming into March now, we haven't seen sports for a long time. So this video is going to be about getting into other things online as a way of making a bit of extra income during these tough times. So the first part, we're going to be looking at gigs on Fiverr. So if you don't know what Fiverr is, pretty much as the title says, it's a website where you can advertise things from £5 upwards. So you can offer services to people, anything from sort of video editing, photography, logo design, anything like that. And then on to some very weird things I've seen on there, like you can pay someone to throw a loaf of bread against a wall. But essentially, you don't really need any skills for this. Anyone can do it. Set up an account on Fiverr. So it is my first time trying it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself a week, set up some gigs on Fiverr to see how much income I can generate, if any at all, within a week. There is a lot of competition on Fiverr for gigs, so have a look at what's around. If you look at the categories, you can see how many other people are advertising in those categories. So I would suggest picking the less competitive categories where there's maybe only 100 or 200 gigs, as opposed to the one where you've got sort of 5,000 plus, because you're more likely to get your advert seen. Bit of advice I'd suggest, I would have a basic package, a standard and a premium. Start your basic at 5 and then just work your way up from there, offering more each time. There are people on Fiverr that are offering lots or promising lots for very low, obviously £5. So just weigh up whether it's worth your time, because obviously you are going to have to do the work. You don't want to get bad reviews on there because that won't help for future custom. So just think about what you're doing, whether it's worth your time, and then put some gigs on there. So it's Sunday today, I'm going to put 5 gigs out on Fiverr this evening, and then see where we are next Sunday to see if I've managed to make any income through Fiverr. If anyone else wants to take part, I challenge you to do the same. So Fiverr 7-day challenge is what I'm calling it. I'm going to do a 5-part series to this, trying to make some money during lockdown. So watch out for further episodes coming up on this. But yeah, go over to fiverr.com, get your gigs on there tonight, and see if you can get some interest throughout the week. You might get people sending you messages. Try and get back to them as soon as possible. It will definitely help with the conversion rate on the gigs. And then yeah, I'll make another video next week to see what I've got. You guys let me know below how you've got on with it, how you found it. I think Fiverr is one of those things, it's very easy to start. It's just good to get you into that kind of mindset of making money online. It's not something you want to scale too much and look a year or two down the line. It's just something to start. Different way of sort of making a bit of money. So yeah, let me know below what you thought of the video. As I say, there'll be more parts coming up this week, so make sure to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next part of the series.